Let's see some practice problems on sets. First problem is write a Python code that converts lists of name. So we have a list of name to a set of unique names. This is very simple, just one step. Convert the list to a set and any duplicate values will be removed. Let's see that quickly. Here's the same list. I think Alice and Bob are duplicate. So here I can say S is equal to set of names. That's it. So any duplicate value will be removed. Print S. Let's see output. That's it. So we converted a list of names to a unique set of names. Just convert a set to a list. A tricky question sometimes could be remove all the duplicate values from a list. Remove all duplicate values from a list. It does not have to be only names. Any duplicate value. Here we have 1, 1. We have A. You can use for loop and check if the value is available more than once and. But the fastest way to remove elements from a list is to convert it to a set, one. Step number two, convert the set back to a list. Does that make sense? So here, I am converting names to set. I then can say names again is equal to list of S. Wow, this is very good. So here, you can convert a list to a set and convert a set to a list. Just use the set and list methods. So now let's see this. That's it. We removed all duplicate values from the list in 2 steps. Actually, you can do it in 1 step. Let's see how to do it in 1 step. I can say here names equal list of set of names. So this way you are creating a set of names first, then you are converting it to a list back and set it to names. Let's see, run. That's it. Instead of 2 lines now we have 1 line. Very useful way to get rid of duplicate values from a list. Convert it to a set, back to list. Question number 2. Write Python code that in which 2 sets are input and returns a set containing elements that are either in one of them but not both. This is called symmetrical difference. It's again 1 line. Here are the 2 sets. Just do S is equal to set1 dot symmetrical difference of S2. That's it. So symmetrical difference will create, set2 here, set2. So symmetrical difference will create a list of things that are in one of them but not in both. Let's print and make sure we did it right. Run here. So here's the output. 1, 2 are available in 1, 2, and 3 are available in the first one only. 6, 7, 8 are available in the second one only. 4 and 5 are available in both. So the resulting set will contain elements that are in one but not in both, and the output is correct. Very simple question. Let's see this problem. Write a function that takes a list of numbers as input and returns a new set containing only even numbers. So this way, maybe we need to go and do a loop to check the element from the list. If it's even, we add it one by one. We add it to the list. The method is add. Here's the function. Okay. Def get the function name is even numbers, and it takes a list of numbers So now let's do this. First, create an empty set, which is S. This is equal an empty set. Now we iterate over the list for n in, for digit or number in n, I called it, if d modulus 2 is equal 0, then s dot add d. This way I add one element at a time to the set. That's it. Return s. So we go through the elements. Only we add elements that are even. Let's run and see. Excellent. Here we have 2, 4, 6, 8, and 9. So very simple thing. We just did this time one by one. We check the element. Next question. Read a text file to find all the unique words in a file. By the way, this is also a very simple question. Find all the unique words of the file. So again, this involves reading a file, and you can go one by one and add them to the set. And if the word is duplicate, it will be removed. But you also can use read and read lines of the file to create a list and then convert it to a set. That's it. Let's see, maybe we'll see more than one way how to do it. Here I have a text file. You see it here. I will do it now using a function. Let's see here. The function is called find unique words. Find unique words. And we have file name, file name. This is a file name, not a file object, so we need to open it. So f is equal to open, and now here we have file name, comma, read. Let me do it in more than one way. Text is equal to f dot read. Read, if you pay attention, read here reads all the data in the file in one string. Read line, read one line, read lines. It reads all the lines, but in a list of strings. So now read returns one string. So a very easy way to go word by word here and add it to the set. For example, this is one way. S is equal to empty set. And I can go for word in text. This is one way only, okay? S dot add word. So of course the text will ignore any duplicate items here. The set return the set. We need S. Let's see the output here. Find unique words. Here I just need to make sure the names are right. Run. Okay. This time we got letters, not words. Why? Because if you recall in the very first slide, maybe when I taught you sets, you need something iterable. Here, it's all as one string. All the text is read as one string. So here they go character by character and they only add unique characters. So the right thing is to convert the text. I can here say text is equal to text dot split. Split will split. See, split returns a list of words. So split here list a list of words. And split will split the things, the text based on spaces. So it will return a list of words. Now if you go here word by word, that's easier. Okay, now we get this. See, these are list of unique words. Let us look at this. Yes, list of unique words. This is one way of doing it. Creating a list and then creating a set from the words of the list. No need to actually to do this loop. All of this loop is not needed. Why? Because this is already a list. In line 4, you already have a list of words. You just convert it to a set. That's it. So a set of text will convert the list to a set, and that's it. It will return it. Of course, the set, no duplicates, no order, and all these things. Let's see the output. That's it. This is what we're looking for. This is what we exactly looking for. The next question says, find the common words between two files. What are the two files? File, first file and second file. We need to find the common words. Again, this is very simple. To find the common words between the two files, don't use strings, don't use all these things. Create a set of the unique words in each file and then find the intersection of both files. Let's see. I'll use the same code here. I will use here first file, first file. Let me make sure the name is right. File name 1. And here I will have file name 2 is second file. I'll use one function here to open each file, but the same function. And here I'll call it second file. So unique words 1 is equal to read file name 1. Again, unique words 2, another set is equal to read file name 2. So each time we call, let's change this to 2. Each time we call the method or the function returns a unique set. And now we just need to find the common words, which is a set equals to unique words 1 intersection of unique words 2. That's it. So now we will see the common words between the two. Let's see, I did not print anything. I just need to print the common words, print common words, which is a set of unique words between two things. It's the and over. These two words are available in both files. Let me make sure it's correct. Over here, I see, and they is available. And first file here, okay, over and lazy dog. Let me just add another word here. Amazon, whatever word. I'll add it to both files and make sure my code is running fine. I'll do it Amazon again, all caps. So because we do not check the case here, run, and you see now the word Amazon is available. If you need to make sure words are case sensitive, you need to convert all the text to lower or upper. Otherwise, you will get same words but in different cases. So most of the time, you work with sets, you will find yourself going to use lists. And because it's the easiest way to create a set is to create it from a list, then you can do the set operations like intersection. Okay, let us see now words that are available in the first file but not in the second file. So first I'll call it not second. First not second is equal to unique words 1 difference unique words 2. So now we get the words that are available in the first but not in the second, and similarly you can do all other string functions. First but not second. Okay, let's see this one run here. So this is our output. Things that are in the first but not in the second, we get them in a set.